We're just on our way to HJ stage. We'll be working for Alfa Italia. We'll be doing 2 haircuts on these beautiful models, one wet, one dry, a European bob, and then just internal layers on the longer hair to give it a lot more volume, thickness, without removing the length. So let's go. I'm an Alfa Italia ambassador, as Bruno said. Alfa Italia is here. We're over on K170. If you want to come over after, you can see what we're doing over there. We're doing live haircuts all day, as we have been all weekend. But today, what I'm going to do, I'll introduce Stacey first. This is my salon manager, Stacey. She's going to be assisting me all weekend. And I'm going to be doing 2 haircuts. So we're doing one wet, one dry. We're going to be styling in between, and we're going to be working with each other like that.